Hey campers, Jill here for week 2 of virtual Q camps. This week our theme is Welcome to the Jungle. Did you know that over half of the world's species live in a jungle environment? Or that lions, also known as the king of the jungle, like this one on my shirt, don't even live in the jungle? They can be found in the savannah or grasslands. Our riddle of the week is, why shouldn't you play soccer in the jungle? Check out the description box below to find out the answer. This week on Musical Monday, Elim will make you feel like you're in the jungle with homemade rain sticks. And Elise will introduce you to new friends with shadow drawing on Tactile Thursday. Be sure to check out the other activities in the description box below and tag us on Facebook with the hashtag VirtualQCamps. See you next week!
Hi campers, it's Elim. It's Musical Monday and today I'm going to show you how to make your own rain stick. The main supplies that you're going to need are lots of toilet paper rolls because the longer your rain stick is, the longer the rain sound will be. So something like paper towel rolls or even wrapping paper rolls would be really helpful. And then to connect all of that together, tape or hot glue gun. For your filler, which is the thing that's going to make the rain sound, you can choose either rice, beans, or popcorn. Just anything with a hard outer shell. And make sure you have a funnel too. We also want to make a filter so that our rice or whatever filler material that you choose doesn't just go straight through our rain stick. So you can use cardboard from a milk carton or even a cereal box, aluminum foil, or pipe cleaners. All right, now that we have all of our materials ready, we are going to tape all of our toilet paper rolls. Next, we're going to need to cover our bottom. To do that, trace out 2 circles and make sure you leave enough space around it so that you can cut slits and eventually tape it on. For my filter, I chose cardboard. So I just cut these strips out of a milk carton and then I folded it zigzag. Now I'm going to insert it and make sure it's pushed down. And just to demonstrate it, just fold it back and forth, back and forth. And it should fill up most of your rain stick. Now, if you don't want to use milk carton, you can also use a pipe cleaner. And for this, you just need to twist it so that it becomes one long strand. And you can leave some opening too, just for the filler to get through. Same idea with the aluminum foil. You want to crumple it up and make it so that there are 3 strands. Now that our rain stick has a filter, let's put some rice or beans inside. I'm also going to use a funnel so that it's less messy. Now I'm going to cover it up. We're almost done. With the same paper, it's best if you can use construction paper because it's sturdier. Now to play this, you're going to tilt it to the other end at an angle and turn it. And then once you hear the sound sort of dissipating, you can turn it to the other side. So there you go, DIY rain stick.
Hi campers, it's Elise here and welcome back to week 2 of activities. Today I'm going to lead you through an exciting activity called shadow drawing. So this activity you'll need to head outdoors for because you'll need the sun to help you draw. Alright, materials you will need are a clipboard. This is optional, but I find it really helps when I'm drawing on the ground. You're going to need some printer paper, so that you can trace your objects and you'll be able to see it. And you'll need whatever you want to color with. So I have markers here, crayons, pencil crayons, whatever your favorite is, and a pencil so that you can trace. Last but not least, you're gonna need some figures. Today I have farm animals. I couldn't find any jungle animals, unfortunately, but you know what? These will do the trick, and you'll want them kind of small so that you can bring them outside. So when the shadow comes out, you're just gonna wanna trace along the line so that you have an outline of your figure. As you can see, we're using the horse here. And if you follow it along, you'll have your drawing that you can fill in later. You can play around repositioning your figurine so that you can find the perfect shadow that will cast its whole body. Alright campers, thank you so much for joining me this week in shadow drawing. As you can see, I drew my horse, I did an outline with marker and colored it in with crayon. So I can't wait to see your own designs. Don't forget to tag us on Facebook when you post what you've made. Bye campers, I'll see you next week. Nay!